Dear Professor Mashimo, how's your latest invention? I just know he's gonna be awesome. Your biggest fan, Tommy Turnbull.
Dear Tony, he has surpassed all expectations. But I fear he may fall into the wrong hands. So I'm sending him somewhere safe. Somewhere perhaps he can learn to be a true boy.
Wow.
A true robot boy.
Are you cleaning your room?
Yes.
What's she in my case for? This room is fine. Right, Ro?
Room mess.
Do me a favor. Help me out here.
Okie dokie, Smokey.
Whoa! You rock! Thanks!
Dude, you gotta clean this place up. The G-Man can't work this way.
I'll get right on it.
No time, man. We're going to the beach.
I can't. I gotta clean up.
I'll bet Bambi would love to see you there.
Let's go. Sorry, Ro, it's not safe. There's too many people at the beach, and I don't want to get sand in this either. Later, Gator. Tommy? Tommy? Where is she?
Who?
Bambi, you said she'd be here.
I said I bet she'd love to see you here. For all we know, that may be true.
Dude, you got a little sun today.
The sunscreen work? Billy Man lives!
It's good to be back, G-Man! Looking spectacular!
Look at this room. Robotboy, you're awesome. Wait a minute. I deactivated him. Mom! I don't believe she gave all my toys and Robotboy to an orphanage. We gotta get him back.
Don't worry, man. You've got the best cops in the business on the case. Right, Billy Man?
Oh, roger that, G-Man!
Tommy, get back here! You're grounded! Bring him in.
Permission to use extreme force.
Granted.
The watch is constructed of a titanium alloy. It's obviously related to the robot toy.
Hello?
Oh, wow! Active speech, no doubt, pre-recorded.
What? Pre-recorded mean?
You possess interactive intelligence! You're
Robotboy. Who you? Where I am?
I'm Booker, and you're at the homely home for homeless boys.
Must go find Tommy.
Whoa, quick, under the bed. Greetings, Lenny.
What you doing, Bookworm? Let me guess, playing with your girly flowers again?
They're orchids. I cultivate them. Would you mind putting that... Would you mind putting that down? It's extremely rare.
No problem.
Oh, no!
Hey, brother.
Negative. A fellow orphan, and quite a brutal one at that. Anyway, I know you've got to get back. It was very nice to meet you, Robot Boy.
It's okay. Stay a while.
You're certainly a well-equipped robot.
Attention. Some people interested in adopting an orphan will be arriving in 1 hour.
Oh, I've got to get ready. Help me tie this. Oh, too tight.
How about a donut break, partner?
We gotta pull over.
Keep moving and put your shirt back on. You're making me sick.
Here, buddy, chew on this till we can get a square meal.
I hope you don't mind being in your standby mode while I meet the prospective parents. I suspect it's wise to conserve your battery. Oh,
You don't think anybody's gonna take you home, do you?
actually, it is a persistent hope, yes.
Who would want to bring home a dumbbell who doesn't know enough to keep his head out of the dirt, huh? What's this? A widow baby toy?
Booker, please report to the office.
Hey, don't worry, we'll take good care of your baby.
Homely home for homeless kids. He better be here.
You're soft, belly man.
Too many jelly donuts. Get it together or we're leaving you behind.
You ruined it! My one chance to go home with a family, and you ruined it for me!
I guess you're stuck with us, Bookworm. We took care of your baby toy, just like we promised. And 'cause you're so sad about staying, we thought it would cheer you up if we let you join our club. But first, you gotta go through initiation. Swirly time! Swirly, 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 swirly. Hey, check it out, guys. I got a shiny new watch. Hey, what's this button do? Cool! Now I got my own robot. This is like Christmas.
Robotboy, no baby.
That robot belongs to me.
Hey, yo, who are you and who's the freak?
G-Man and Belly Man here. And the freak is named Tommy.
Okay, Ro, let's go home now.
I'll fight you for him.
Cool! Fight! Fight!
Fight! Fight! Fight! Fight! Fight! Fight! Fight! Fight! Fight! Fight! Fight! Fight! Fight!
Yes!
Fight! 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 looky what we have here. I never swirly 2 kids at one time before, but there's a first time for everything. Let's do this.
Not so fast. If anybody's giving swirlies here, it's me. Let's go, Dipwad. I'm bringing you in.
Wait! Wait! I think these, toys, belong to you. Thanks. Are you going to be all right?
Probably not. You?
Probably not.
Attention. Booker, please return to the office. Your new parents would like to take you home.
Parents? I'm being adopted! Hurrah!
Another case successfully cracked by G-Man and Bellyman. Let's go home, partner.